Hello friends, today I will show you how you can permanently delete your WhatsApp account. This is very simple to do. Just watch the video till the end. Now let's move directly to my mobile screen. First of all, open the WhatsApp application on the device and then click on these three dots and then click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, click on the account and here, as you can see, the last option is to delete the account, so simply click on it. Now, before deleting your account, you must keep in mind that if you delete your WhatsApp account, then the account will be deleted from WhatsApp and from all your devices. Your message history will also be erased. You will be removed from all your WhatsApp groups, and your WhatsApp payment information will be deleted. Also, if you created any WhatsApp channel, then your channel will also be deleted. Now, if you are ready to delete, then select your country from here and enter the mobile number with which you created this WhatsApp account. After doing all this, just click on the Delete Account button at the bottom and then select any reason why you want to delete the account. If the reason for deleting your WhatsApp account is not given here, so just select Others. The second column is optional, so I am not going to write anything there, but if you want to give some suggestions to WhatsApp, then write them here. After that, simply click on Delete Account. After that, a new page will open. Here, again, click on Delete Account and wait for a few seconds. It will automatically redirect you to the new page. This is how you can delete your WhatsApp account permanently. Now, you can create a new WhatsApp account with this number, but your old chats will not be recovered. To create a new WhatsApp account, watch this video. If you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.